In this video, I'll show you how to add Telegram chat messages to Supernotes automatically. So assume that you have created a chat or a group or a channel inside Telegram, and whatever the important messages are coming to your chat, you want to save those messages as note into Supernotes application, which is a note-taking application. Now to do that, you have two choices. Either you can manually copy the incoming messages and save as notes into Supernotes, or you can create an automation in Telegram and your note-taking application in such a way that every time a new message arrived in the chat, the same message will be saved automatically as a note, so that you can create a backup of your important messages as a notes in Supernotes. Want to create this automation for yourself? Come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Telegram application, and here I have created a group with the name Pabbly team, and whatever the important messages will come here, you will see how these messages will be saved as note into our Supernote application. And for that, I'll have to build a connection in Telegram and Supernote, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. Well, I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why firstly I have clicked on sign in, then I have clicked on access now, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after reaching to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm going to provide the name something like sync Telegram chat messages with Supernotes. Okay, it should be Supernotes. Okay, click on create and you will find two boxes. These are trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever a new message is arrived into our Telegram chat or a group or a channel, the same message should be saved automatically as a note in Supernotes application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. In this case, I am building this automation in Telegram application and in Supernotes application. Okay, so that is why I am going to select these two applications, and I am going to do the setup of Supernotes later. Currently, I am going to connect Telegram with the Pabbly Connect, so that whatever the message will arrive into a specific group or a channel, messages will be received via Pabbly Connect first, and then we are going to send the very same data to Supernote. Okay, with the help of Pabbly Connect only. Okay, simply click on connect, click on add new connection, and for the connection it will ask you for the token. So how you can get this token, you will have to follow these instructions one by one. Okay, so I will take you to my Telegram chat, and here you can see I'll have to firstly open that bot father. Okay, so let me search for the bot father, and here is the bot father, and here as per the instruction I will have to first type this particular instruction, that is /new bot. Okay, so basically we are actually creating a new bot. This is the process of creating a new bot. Okay, as soon as I have sent this particular message, it is saying, all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So how about I provide a random name, something like important message. Okay, important message. Okay, press enter, and it is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. So how about I keep the username as it is, and by following the instruction I'll have to add this underscore bot as well into this particular username. And sorry, this username is already taken. Okay, so how about I change this particular name, something like 123, and then I will be adding this underscore bot once again. Okay, this time I'm expecting that it will take that message, it will take that name, and it has already taken. Done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this particular. You can now add a description about the section and profile picture for your bot. Okay, so this is the message, and here you can see we have also received the token, and with the help of this token only we are going to connect Pabbly Connect and Telegram. Okay, so this is how you can connect it, and once the connection will made, we will have to click on the save and send test request button once again, and then read the instructions carefully, that it is asking to, basically it is waiting for the response. Okay, and once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission and record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means making of a new message, basically creation of a new message. Okay, so I will directly take you to my Telegram bot, and you will see how basically whatever the messages I'm going to send, or any person is going to send into this particular channel, the same messages will be captured via Pabbly Connect. But before that, I'll have to do one more very important setting, that is, okay, so firstly I will show you the Telegram documentation, basically the documentation of this particular section. Okay, so where is the documentation? Here is the documentation. Now I can simply close it, and it has clearly mentioned here that you will have to first add your bot into this particular group. Okay, so let me show you where is that. Alright, so everything is mentioned in this particular document. Okay, so again I will take you to my Telegram chat. Here is the Pabbly team, and I have provided the name to my bot as this. Okay, let me copy the same, and here in this particular group I am also going to add this bot as well, so that I can make this automation possible. Okay, and this is the bot which I have added into this particular group. And not just that, after adding this particular bot as a team member, you will also have to promote this particular bot as an admin of this group. Then only we will be able to send or receive the messages inside our Pabbly Connect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, well, the responses already arrived, and this response is all about that we have added this particular bot as a bot inside my group. Okay, so now I will be clicking on this recapture webhook response button once again, and firstly I'm going to promote this particular bot as an admin of this particular group. Then only I will be able to send or receive the messages. But this is not possible with the Telegram web application. For that, I'll have to use my Telegram mobile application. Okay, so basically with the help of this Telegram mobile application only, I can actually make this person as an admin. Alright, so I have promoted this person as an admin of this particular group, and now you will see whenever I send any message here, how the same message will be received via Pabbly Connect. And again here, when I have promoted this particular person as an admin, again the details has been fetched via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I'll have to click on this recapture webhook response button once again, and then I'll go back, and here I'm going to send a message. Okay, so let's say I'm the manager of the company, and I'm going to share some important information in this particular group, and I would also like to back up this particular message into the Supernote application. Okay, so I'll be sharing the details of the customer. Alright, so I'm going to post this particular message in the group, something like ABC company is also ready for the partnership. The partner name is this, product he is interested in this, the price which he has quoted for our product is this. He'll do a webinar for us in return, since he has an 450,000 members in his Facebook community. Please note that if he will brought more leads to us, we will reduce the pricing for him up to 50% as per the conversation held in the meeting. Okay, so here I will take you to Pabbly Connect. It is still waiting for the response, and as soon as I am going to press enter, you will see how the same details will be arrived via Pabbly Connect. Here you can see the message text is ABC company. It is the same message. Okay, let me show you other details as well. Okay, so the person name who has just posted this message is actually this, that is Sonam, and here we have the chat title also, that is Pabbly team. Here you can see the message has been arrived into this Pabbly team. Okay, and now I am going to save these important details, save this particular message as a note into the Supernote. For that, in the action event, you'll have to choose this create card, and again, just like we have connected Telegram and Pabbly Connect, now I will connect the Supernotes and Pabbly Connect, for which it is asking for the API keys. So read the instruction. I'll have to go to the settings and then manage API keys. Okay, so where is the setting? I think this is the profile section. I'll have to visit the settings, then I'm going to look for the API key. Okay, here you can see manage API keys. Okay, asking for the password once again. Okay, so let me add the password first. And finally, I have this API key. Let me copy this key from here, and then I will be pasting the very same key here, clicking on save, and this is how Supernotes will be connected with Pabbly Connect, and it is asking for the two important details, that is the card name and the description name. Okay, in the card name, I'm going to provide something like new message is arrived into our group, or whatever it is, group or a channel, and here I will be mentioning the name of the channel, okay, name of the chat, and here we have the chat ID. And did you see that, did you notice that I'm not copying the data from the above step, I'm actually mapping this data, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. You just need to select that data. This is how the data can be mapped, and the important of mapping is this particular detail will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. So assume that next time the message has been arrived. Alright, so new messages arrived into our group or a channel, and the channel name is Pabbly team, and here I'm going to write the description. Okay, the message is sent by, and here I will add the name of the person. I remember the name of the person was Sonam. Okay, the message is sent by this particular person, and I can also add the date and time of the message, but it is not actually required because this automation is going to work instantly. Okay, Telegram will capture the detail instantly, and as soon as the details will be captured, that details will be saved. Basically the messages will be saved in real time, so it is not important to mention the time. Just in case if you want to mention any other thing, you can also do the same. And here I will add the message. Okay, message is, and let me map the whole message which I have just received. Okay, so I think I have done all the important steps which are actually required for creating a note inside Supernotes application. I have also clicked on this save and send test request button, and here you can see in real time the same message has been arrived. Okay, new messages arrived into our group or channel Pabbly team. The message is sent by Sonam. Messages ABC company is also ready for the partnership, and it is the same message. Here you can see the response is also received. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time you are going to receive any message here, the same details will be saved. Basically the same message will be saved automatically inside our Supernotes application. And here there is a small problem. So basically whatever the activities are happening inside this particular chat, Pabbly Connect is immediately capturing that particular information, that particular activity, whether it is all about adding a new bot here or whether it is about promoting a bot as an admin of the group. Okay, but here according to this particular automation, I do not want to capture each and every activity, each and every detail. I just want that if a new message is arrived, that message should be saved automatically. For that I'll have to add a condition here. Okay, so here I'm going to tell the very same thing to the system by specifying a condition in this automation. Okay, so let me tell you how you can do that. Pabbly Connect is surely going to capture all the details, but after this particular step we will apply a condition that if the activity is all about receiving a message, then only this automation should proceed. Basically the message should be received, should be saved into Supernote, otherwise the automation will stop here only. Okay, how? So with the help of filter, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, we are going to define a condition, and using the filters you can also set any kind of conditions within your automation. Okay, and here you can see all the data is visible here, and I am going to define this condition on this particular value, basically on this particular field, that is message text. Okay, so if the message text is available inside my response, then only this automation is going to proceed, otherwise the automation will stop working here immediately. Okay, so if message text exist, okay, here you can see the filter type exist, and if I'll click on this button you will see how the condition will be true. But just in case if this message, if this response is all about any other activity, in that case this condition is going to false and the automation will stop working here only. Okay, so this is how you can apply this condition, and this is how you can automate the process of saving the Telegram messages into the Supernote application as node automatically. And for that you will have to create create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Simply close Pabbly Connect. Just in case if you want to access this workflow in your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into the description box. You just need to click on this particular link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be also able to access this particular workflow, this particular automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.